Okay, so I go down another, oh, let's say it's probably another 1/2 inch. See, that's the only part that's kind of annoying. You gotta untwirl it. And you're gonna add your next one. Okay, so I have another one here. And to try to add it to the other side so you get that dimensional effect. Okay, and then you just tape it on. I don't know if you can see the tape in my hand. I'm just wrapping it around. And it's nice, you can adjust these. Once you've got them on, once you've taped them on, you can adjust them, so it's not a big deal. And just keep going down. Holding it up so it'll twirl. This is what I did at home. I'm like, let it twirl. Okay, so I've gone down another 1/4 inch. So I'm ready to add my next one. And see, I've already got tape on this guy. I go down a little bit more. And if you've got a little green showing, it's no big deal. You can go back and tape that up later. Tape it some more. Put some floral tape is really nice. It just like sticks to itself anywhere you stick it, and you can start it and stop it anywhere. It's got to be the most forgiving stuff in the world. Okay. So looking at the other side, looks like we want to give it a little more space. What number am I on? 1, 2, oh, am I on my last one? Oh, maybe I want to give that a lot more space. Where is he? Okay. And this guy, notice he's not taped yet, so let me tape him first. I was just trying to save some time because I know I only got an hour. Okay, so he's covered. I probably should have given these a little more room, but that's okay. All right, and then tape this guy on. We're going to be working on a 10-inch cake today because this poinsettia is like life size. It's huge. It's got to be close to 10 inches across. So these branches, that's why these branches are nice and big. Well, at least the other one is. They're 2 different sizes, that's fine. Okay, so you can see I've got my guys on here. And it's nice because I can bend them now. See, because of the wire that's in there, I can like bend them. And that's a short branch, this is a long branch. Okay, this one I just put more space between them. Let's go a good inch between them instead of 1/2 inch. Okay. And then if you want, you can tape it the rest of the way down. We only need to do a total of 5 inches. That's all you have, because I got one branch going one way, and if it's a 10-inch cake, that's the radius, and then 5 inches the other way. You add the 2 5s together, that's 10 inches. So a total of 10, each branch 5 inches, so you get a total of 10. Or a little less than 10. You really don't want it hanging over the edge of your cake. So just tape it down. No one's going to see it. It's going to be in the back. We will have a back to our cake. Okay. So 5 inches. We're done enough. Okay, so now I have 2 pieces like this. All right, and then I'll show you how to put this through the center of my cake and coming out behind my poinsettia. So I'll have branches, and you can see, in case you guys don't get to see the, see it's going to be lit up from behind. Can you see that? Cool. Yeah, you can. Okay. All right, so let's just move that out of the way and start on that flower.